So welcome to the Lollie and Markie show. We've got an absolute belter for you. So as you know, we're from Liverpool and we have found the real Yellow Submarine. So let's go and find Ringo and his mates. See if we can go and find the octopus's garden. Failing that, it's another excursion. We've got a 3-hour submarine, semi-submarine thing. So bottom half's underwater with all glass. What do you think, Lollipop?
I think it's amazing. I just fall in love with Greece more and more and more every day. I'm just chilling as you do. Beautiful, look at that. Good morning.
Good morning, darling. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I try on.
Don't say we've missed the boat.
Jak to jeść, jak to
Oh, sorry.
Anyway, Antiquin Bay, all around a bit. I'll find
These must be the fish you can find here, Ma. Shall we go fishing? If you fancy a fishing trip. They've got it all.
They certainly have.
Yeah. Stunning. Totally different little fishing port from the one in the Rhodes Old Town. Yeah.
You will be picked up here. 1 o'clock there's a little balcony, and they bring you out to sea. So just take a seat here. Yes.
There's somewhere fantastic just behind Ma. Yeah.
Yes.
Excellent. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Submarine.
Yeah, you shout us. There you go, Joe.
I'll just check about the park. Yeah.
But look at this. It's a sandy beach as well, isn't it?
Yeah, proper sand as well.
Yeah. Yeah, Faliraki's all sand, isn't it? Beautiful. And all ages, isn't there?
Yeah.
Should we go and get a nice cold drink?
Yes.
Would you like to go to the Greek Taverna or would you like to go to Maria Sea?
Whichever one you
I
think.
suppose they'd all just do drinks, wouldn't they?
Yeah, they all do.
What do you fancy? The
Actually,
posher looking one?
that's just a little cheapy one. Should we go a little cheapy
The
one?
little
It's only
cheapy one.
like- we've
Come
got
on then.
Only one, it's like a water or something. don't we?
Yeah. Did we get drink or anything on
Yeah, it's
this?
all inclusive.
All inclusive?
Yeah. If there'd have been a little shop, I would just get a bottle of water. Because that's all we need. Then sit and watch the boats coming in and out of the harbour.
True?
Yep.
Yeah, we need some shade though.
Yep. Okay, then since our boat can get wiped out.
It could be. Oh, look at the little church, Mark. Right on the harbour, isn't that stunning? Yeah.
See that, weren't they?
Mm. Beautiful, amazing. Right, come on,
Right,
let's go
go
and
on,
get a drink,
let's
otherwise
just-
we'll have a little wee stop as well. Imagine living here. I'd buy that. I would buy that in a heartbeat. Here you go. There's your prices. Hello there.
Hey.
How traditionally Greek is this then? It's just all beautiful. Yeah?
Hello.
Hello there. Hello, young man. Just drinks if that's okay. Yeah? Okay, thank you. This place is absolutely just steeped with cuteness, culture. Oh, it's lovely. Even though there's tourists here, it was €1. Hello there. You've got little Nana doing the cooking, baby in the pram, family. The toilets are so cute. It's just an amazing little place that we've come across again. And you know what? We wish we'd eaten here. But we're going to get on this submarine in a minute, and it's all inclusive, so the little guy can just about speak. Well, he can't speak any English, but it just adds to the charm. Absolutely fantastic, isn't it, Mark?
Let's go on board our little mini boat.
Do you know where the big church is in the center?
This one here.
This little boat. Yes.
Thank you.
Do both. Thank you. Here we go. Another day.
Do you want me
Another
down first?
boat.
Will you be okay?
Yeah, I'll
Do
be
you want your
absolutely.
water?
Yeah, thank you.
Hello.
Good morning.
Oh, good morning. Oh,
Thank you so much.
oh. Mind the rope.
Yep.
There you go.
I'm on.
You on?
I'm on,
Thank
darling.
you. Yeah, everyone
Are
on.
you on?
Yeah, I'm on.
Okay.
Come on then.
Oh,
Woo!
that's a bit hot.
Just do that.
There you go. I'll just pause this a second. Oh,
No,
we're
no,
going.
We're
That's
going,
it.
yeah. And that's it. Board on.
Yeah.
Well, this is cool, isn't it, babe?
Wowzers.
See, you got all your glass bottom boats and all these little fishing, fishing things, boats, the
So
little
this
ones.
harbour must be too small for the submarine.
Yeah,
So we have to go out to it.
yeah.
Oh my days. Can't go home now, can we? We'll just have to
can't.
live here forever. I want that little house next to that little place where we
Yeah.
just got a drink.
I mean, what a lovely that see, that's where we've just been for our little thing. The Yellow Submarine's right over there in the middle. You'll see it in a minute.
Woohoo! Hold on, darling.
Yeah. You see it over there?
I can't see it yet. Oh yeah, I can.
Wow, good. Oh,
Hold on.
oh. You definitely do live on the water,
Yeah.
don't you, when you come to
Is it
Rhodes?
coming to us? Seems to be moving. Yeah, it must have picked people up from that side
Yeah.
of Faliraki.
A few people already on it, babe.
Yeah. Woo! Oh my days! Hello!
Right, this is going to be fun and games, isn't it?
Hello there! How are we getting on this then?
I think we swim. We are.
Hello, welcome on board.
Thank you very much. All aboard. Right, we'll come back on in a minute. See you soon. Well then, guys, we're just pulling up to Anthony Quinn Bay. This is what I called where were we? Faliraki Beach. I think we all went the other day. So we have a half an hour or so here. Really good, this place. We've got a tub there for soft drinks, tub over there for alcoholic drinks. It's not that crowded, it's quite family. The music's quite loud. As you can tell, we've now took the mics off because we're going to go for a little dip or two. But look at that, isn't that absolutely stunning? So that's Anthony Quinn Bay. Took us about 10 minutes to get here. So again, it's just beautiful and so nice getting us on board. That's the sort of car I want, a yellow Herbie. So you can drive down here and just get a little sunbed or sit on the rock and go diving into it. Or there's a viewpoint just up here somewhere, which gives you spectacular views as well. But anyway, let's go and have some fun. See you all later, bye. Fantastic. Yellow Submarine. You've got to come on it. To here in Rhodes, Anthony Quinn Bay. Come and join the Lollie and Markie show. They'll look after you. Thank you. Whoa. So,
Well, that was a bit of treacherous water.
yeah, so they chuck you overboard here. So you get on, have your hour in Anthony Quinn Bay, stunning, dead calm. Then they come here, throw you over the cliff, over the side, and say swim. Where is it? See where this boat is behind us? Marco Polo. That one there.
Yeah.
You swim just the other side of that and into that cave, and it's about 20 metres into the cave. It's not very
But
deep.
it's wavy because you are out in the sea, it's not cold.
Yeah. So as you can see, we're just in the middle of nowhere. We'll show Lollipop side. So as you can see, there you go, babe. But absolutely amazing. We have about half an hour, to be honest. It's about a 10-minute swim. And it's about a 20-minute swim back because it's quite hard. They give you these noodles.
You can't wear sunglasses, the waves go over you, and you're going to lose everything.
So we've got an hour left on the boat. It's been fab, to be honest. So we're going to grab a beer and get some sunglasses. So we'll catch you all later and let you know what we think. Right, I know everyone's going to say, well, you're on a submarine. Granted, it's not a true submarine, it's more of a glass bottom boat. So you just walk in one of these doors and the captain's, and we stroll down carefully because we're going a full pelt. Now we're moving now, so we should have really done this in Anthony Quinn's Bay, but we're too busy actually swimming, weren't we, babe? So we'll sit down. Look at that. Nothing. Can't really see that much. Beer, thank you very much, darling. But we got like a little stairway down there, stairway to hell.
Stairway to heaven.
If you're going up, yeah.
Look how clear the water is there.
That's stunning. And then here's where the motors are. But yeah, fabulous. What more can we say? There's not animals on board today. Not many, is there? About 10? A bit more than that.
How big it is?
Yeah, it's huge, isn't it? Stand up. Yeah. And it's air conditioned as well. But yeah, I mean, See, it's like walking the plank. Oh yeah, I mean, we're going to go back up now. But just thought, I mean, there's nothing to say at all. I mean, if we're standing still, we probably would see something. But anyway, should we call? When we're back on land, we'll let you know how we get on, should we? See you later.
If you like a great one, maybe you can.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Okay.
It's a perfect.
Come on then.
Picture paper.
Yeah. Amazing. Fantastic.
Is
I'll turn
Markie there driving the boat? Feeling all manly?
Yeah.
Yeah? The captain?
That's captain on the boat.
Thank you very much. I hope that you appreciate all the trip together with us. So don't forget to review.
We
It's
will.
the same submarine here.
Lights you.
Yeah, we missed that.
Yeah, that was great,
Never
mate.
mind.